This video, I'm going to show you how you can share your presentation in Google Slides with others so that you can collaborate. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, I have here this presentation and I'd like to go ahead and share with others. To do so, it is pretty simple. Just head over to share here and then click on it. Then this will load and give you an option to add people, groups, and even calendar events. So if you just go ahead and click on it, you can now go ahead and add anyone so that you can share with them by clicking on any of these address, or you can just go ahead and enter the name. If you have a specific name, you can just enter in and it will be added. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on done and they'll have access. Now, once they have an access, you can also restrict on what they can do. For instance, if you click down here, you will be able to give permission for the people you have shared, maybe to be able to edit or only to view. So that's how you can share your presentation with others for collaboration. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.